One day, kid has lost in the forest. When they open the eyes, they see they have been surrounded by found greenery around them. Everywhere is a hill, and they can't able to see anything. They are having a pain in body, some injuries in the body. They scream it. Anybody is there? Help! 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 Those four kids are been screaming, crying all the time, and then kids just try to stand up but can't able to stand even. And then suddenly they get courage to stand on their own feet, and it's bleeding from their legs even little bit. Because the thorn of the trees are inside their skin, they are removing one after another, and those injuries they don't know how to cure it even. They scream and then they are crying. This small kid is going to the school in the which is age around 10 to 14-year old, and they have lost in this hill area which is a remotely one, and then sun is a shining. It's a evening now. I mean, by the evening they just wake up. How this kid has reached in this area, they just recovering their mind, where they have came from, how they fall in this. And then somebody says, oh yeah, yesterday we came for paragliding at the topmost place of mountain where we took a parachute, and that parachute has crashed in this valley which is 500 kilometers away from that mountain which we can see from this forest of now. They scream, please help, but nobody's comes, and they start screaming. They feel thirsty after screaming and screaming, but nothing is happen. There is no vehicle, there is no internet, there is no cell phone, there is no food, and the kid got a lot of injuries in the body and the pain, and the kids got exhausted. How they will go to that topmost mountain to meet their relatives over there, and how they entertained in the night, which they are doing every night, and how that parachute even helped them. So the kid's body is pain and they had to walk it. So they think that tonight they will sleep in this forest, and tomorrow morning they will start walking towards that mountain. And in the midnight they see there is a big bird is flying to the forest from that topmost mountain. And then what happened? They see that bird is nothing but eagle is coming to that forest from the mountain, and he bring his own food to eat it in that forest, or he is sometimes doing for hunting his food in that forest, or sometime hunting the food at the topmost mountain. The eagle is quite intelligent bird. As they see, they found that big eagle is sleeping under the tree in the night, and so that all those kids are sitting on the topmost of that kid tree to save themselves from the reptiles and other animals, and which can harm them. So by the morning they just jump up from the tree, and then they find some fruit over there in the forest. They eat it and find some water while digging the soil, and they just filter with the help of grass that water and drink it. Now they decided to go to the topmost mountain. How they will go to the topmost mountain? So one of the kid name is Kittu. She is very intelligent. She watched the television with her mom all the time, and the kid too loves to see historical web series. She used to see number of web series which show spirituality, which show some magic, which show this and that. So the kid too has decided, okay, we will do the plan. First of all, uh, we will walk in this forest and move towards the up towards the roads are going over there, and then we will ask the help, because in the forest is already covered by greenery, nobody can see it us, and there is nothing, there is no helicopter is there, there is no airplane is coming, there is no rescuer person comes apart from this eagle. Okay, so then Kittu says, you know what I see in this, that number of people sit in the eagle, and then the eagle will take them to another place. Do you believe it? Kittu says to other kids, and other guys say, ha ha ha, are you laughing? The eagle weight is your weight. How four of us can sit on this eagle? So they try to sit on the eagle's wings, and then eagle is getting angry because it is hurting his wings, and all four kids are falling from that. So they decide to one person, Kittu will sit on the eagle, and she goes to the topmost mountain and bring someone to rescue all of us. But is it possible to sit on the bird, because bird weight is quite lesser than human weight, isn't it? So that first kid to try to sit, but again she is not getting anything. So what she will do now? You have to think about how the kitten will rescue herself from this forest along with her friend. Let me know what we can suggest to the kitten in the next episode of our YouTube video.